A very good morning to one and all children. So today we are going to start a new chapter called Development for Grade 10. So before reading a deep knowledge about development, you have to know the particular meaning of development. The development meaning is nothing but the desire and aspiration of an individual or a group of better life, a group of better life, that we call in the it is a common meaning of development, desire and aspiration of an individual or a group of better life, group of community, we can tell group of people, we can tell, will have that desire. For an example, you will have little bit ideas how our country should be like. Okay, what all things, essential things are being required for a country, can we live a better life comparing to the all in our country, how should people live together, how the people are living together, can there be a more equality. So in this way, when you will hear a word development, you will learn about different aspects there. For an example, a poor person, okay, day to day he used to beg uh, the money for the people for his livelihood. After some time, if he or a she improved by starting a business, whatever money he has been collected, if he start any kind of business, then it is a development for him. Or if you take an illiterate person who don't know to read and write, okay, a person will come and he will tell the importance of reading and writing, and afterwards he will realize and he will also start reading and writing, that is the development for them. Or a poor person who is working in a field, who is working in a company as a peon, or any other activities or economic activities, and if they improved their lifestyle or a life condition, that is the development for them. So this is the um, main, as well as this is the basic concept of development. So I have told different kinds of examples I have taken, so that the different kinds of examples only will help to understand what is the development promises for a different people or a different goal. For a development, if you heard the word development, for a different people they will have a different goals, each and every person according to them, that is the development for a country. So you will try to understand by focusing one example what they have given in your textbook about different people, they will have a different goal, different aspiration is nothing but a goal, a desire, they want to fulfill that part, that is the development for them. If you take the example, a landless labor, if you take the example of landless labor, he is not having any kind of land. So what is the development goal for him, what is the development? If he's or she working in a field or working in a land which is not belong to him, he will always desire that he would get a better income. Wages means income, little bit more money, and local school is able to provide quality education for their children, for his family's member, for his family members, he want to give a better life. His children or her children, they used to go to the school and have a good education, so that with the help of education they can prosper in their life. Next one, and there should be a no social discrimination, and they too can become a leaders in the village. So that is the development for rural, a landless rural labor. Always the development will be to get a more work, to get a better wages, so that he can fulfill his desire, family desires, giving a good education for his children, even giving a equal status in the society. That is the development of landless labor. Next example we can take prosperous farmer from Punjab. In a Punjab, a prosperous farmer, that is a rich farmer, he is having a lot of field. So what is the development for him? He will assure a high family income through the higher support price for their crops and through their hard working and the cheap laborers. So the development for him means, for whatever crops he is growing, it should get a support price from the government for his crop, and whatever cheap laborers, they are doing lot of hard working only, he is earning a high income in the Punjab there. So they should be and able to settle their children in abroad. So according to him, to improvise his crops, to get a good income whatever crops he has grown in his field, so his desire to send his children to the abroad to get a good education to settle his life in that area only. Okay, next example, a farmer who depend only on rain for growing crops. Okay, even till today in our country, some of the farmers totally they are depend on rain. So according to them, what is the development? Correctly, if during the rainy season the rain will take place according to the season and according to the dates. So it will be helpful for a farmers to grow the crops there, or by using irrigation facility, by using other kind of facility for the cultivation, for the growing of crops. That is the goal for him, that is the aspiration for a farmer who depend only on the rain. Next one, a development for a rural woman from a land owning family. If you take the example of women in a village area, she is having her own property, their family is having their own property, what will be their goal as well as what will be the desire of for the concept of development? A rural woman, she should get the equal opportunity how the men are been getting in a country as well as in their localite area. And the people, the women's, they should also get a dignity life, they should get a good education so that they can help their family members as well as to increase their income. That is a desire for her. If you take a urban unemployment youth, the urban unemployment youth, according to him, what is the development goal? The people those who are educated and they are not getting any kind of job means, if he get a job in a particular, according to his education, if he get a good job means that is a development for him. A rich boy from urban family, he will, according to him, what is the development? According to him, maybe he should increase his business, whatever income he is getting little bit more, he will put an effort in his business, and he will move little bit upwards. So same thing, a girl from a rich urban family, what is the development for them? She should get a freedom as much her brother is able to decide what she want to do in her life. She should able to pursue her studies in the abroad. So even till today, some of the people, they will think that what is the need to take a good that she should take a education in a abroad. Whatever she is taking the education, afterwards she should have to cook in a home only. Then why we have to invest the money in her education? So in this way the mentality is there. Even till today the society will think in that form only. They will not encourage the girl to have a good education, to support her family members, to get a freedom how his or her brother are been getting in their family. Yes or no? Even till today, before 6 o'clock only, the child has to be in the home. That is the development for her. Okay, she should get a equal freedom. She should get equal opportunity in their life, whatever she want to do freely she can to do. So that is the development for them. A girl always desire to have a freedom, equal opportunity. How the brother is getting without any kind of questions, whatever his desire will be there, their parents will fulfill. Even till today, some of the families they will think in that way. Uh, and she will not get a good opportunities. So if you take Adivasi people, for them what is the development? If they are getting good equal opportunity, equal respect in the society, that is the development for them. So by seeing the above examples we will come to know different kinds of people will have a different goal. If you take a job aspirant, if you got a job in a company, so what will be the desire? To have a good income, to give all kind of facility for your family members, whether it belongs to the health facility, giving housing facility. If you are working far away from your family, means housing facility should be given by the company. Yes or no, children? So in this way only the different people will have a different goal. According to them, if their desire or their goals are being fulfilled, means then they will think that yes, our country is leading towards the development. Before, the situation was not like that. For a landless labor, they were not having any single opportunity as well as equal status in the society. If he or she getting that equal status in a society, means we will see some kind of changes in the development as well as in the society. So that they will tell in the form of yes, before the situation was not like this. So this time as well as in this situation we are getting all kind of facility. That is the development for them. So this is the basic how the different people will have a different goal. So do all these people will have a same notion of development or a progress? Whether all the people will have a same goals or a same aspiration? No, different people will have a different goal. Mostly not like. Each one of them seek a different things. They seek the things that are most important for them. They will try to focus what is the important in their life, that is that which can fulfill their aspiration or a desire. They will have one little bit a dream, they will have a little bit aspiration, I should lead my life in this way. In fact, at the time two person of or a group of a person may seek the things which are conflicting. A girl accepts as much the freedom and opportunity as her brother, and that he also share a equal household work. Her brother may not like this concept. At the present situation, if a boy working in a household activity, means surely the parents will as well as the other neighboring people will tell that you are a boy, why you are doing the work like this, it is a work of a girl, why you are helping in a household work. So this mentality is still there in our society. So uh, sharing the household work equally to his brother, means it is not a conflicting. Sometime it will rise for the conflicting. Similarly, if you take the industrialist, they want to construct more dam, but this may submerge the land and disrupt the life of the people who are displaced, such as tribal. They might send in the prefer in a small check dams or a tanks to the irrigated land. So sometimes the two things which will lead towards the conflict. Okay, this you will understand by showing the picture. See, children, development refers to the growth. Okay, we can tell the growth also. Some of the important development goals are seeking more income, having the good freedom in the society, security is there, equal treatment, so and so. It is also one kind of a development of a goal. Aspects of a development I have already told. Develop development may have a different kinds of goal, and development for one may not be the development for others. This is also another important aspect what you have to understand the concept in the development. How, ma'am? Already I have told some of the people will have a different goals for them. It is the development for them. How the development will be one person as a development means for another person it will be not a development. The best example to tell that, you can take the example of industrialist. Industrialist, for a good irrigation to produce hydroelectricity wherever the rivers are being flowing, they want to construct a dam. Okay, the construction of dam, the helpful for that one means to give a irrigation facility in that area, as well as to collect the water whenever it is needed, they will just leave it, or to produce the electricity. This is the development for them. So this is the development for industrialist, but it is a not a development the people those are living in a river bank area. How? It can lead towards the displacement. If they want to construct a dam means, then they have to cut the trees. It is not a development for environmentalist. So those are the people those are living nearby area, they have to shift their family as well as their living from one place to another place. It is one of the another problem. Every time they can't go, whenever the industrialists are constructing the dam, they will not have a settled life, they will not have a better life, as well as to fulfill their desire. Maybe for an industrialist it is a development for him. The villagers those are living in that area, it is not a development for them. So in this way, sometime the conflict will be arised, okay, in the society. Maybe the one person he will think that it is a development for him, for another person it may be a not a development. Okay, another example if I take, a girls will always accept that, always the way she will think that she should also get a freedom as well as she should also get the equal opportunity how her brother is getting in her family. And also she will have a little bit desire, whatever household work I am doing, if my brother will come and help me means, it is also a good thing for her to finish all kind of household work very um quickly. Okay, that is the help as well as that is the development for her. May be a development for her giving a sharing the household work with his brother, but for his brother it is not like that, it is a not development for him. Okay, so in this way, sometime for one people it may be the development, for another people it may be not a development there. Okay, they may ask a question. So the two things that are clear. One, the different person can have a different kinds of development goals. And second one, what may be the development for one may be the development for another. That it will lead towards the destructive or a conflict in the society. So moving further, in the next class, I am going to discuss income and other goals. How the income and the other goals, what kind of other goals, by taking the another examples, I will try to explain about the income and the other goals which will be help for the development. Afterwards only you will understand about national development, how the countries are being um, characterized, developed, underdeveloped and developing. Okay, by understanding the basic concept of development, how the development is being for an individual, what is the development for a community, what is the development for them, each and every person is having. So if you, same thing, the concept if you implement in the same thing for a country means, what is the development of a country, what are the indicators we are using for a development purpose in other part of the countries, what is the development for them. Okay, in the next class, I am going to explain about income and other countries. What is the per capita income? What is the average income? So based on that, you are getting some of the questions in the examination. So I hope today's class you have understood the basic concept of development, how the development is different for different people. One development may not be for the another development. So if you are having any kind of doubt, just pin your question in the group or interact with me in a online session whenever I will take. uh, I hope today's class you have understood. Whatever your doubt are been having, just clarify your doubt in a comment section or as well as in the group. So signing out, have a great day. Bye everyone, be safe and be healthy.